to Kingston Family Reviews. So, today we are reviewing the one and only Kinetic stand. So, today we have the color purple, and yeah, first I'm just gonna show you a little bit about it, and from there we will go on. So, when you get it out, it's it can crumble like this, but then you can get it all back, and yeah, and when pressure goes on it, it gets put together. It's kind of like reverse black, I'm gonna say. Is that right? I don't know. And then yeah, it's just really cool. And yeah, we probably all, whoever's watching this video, know about Kinetic stand. So I have no clue what to say next, pretty much. But yeah, so it's no mess, pretty much. There's some mess after, just little tiny dots, but pretty much you can collect all those. So this is the end of this first part of our video. The next part is going to be a clip of my sister and our filmer and editor, and she's gonna say the particles of matter theory, the particle theory to Kinetic stand, which is part of the educational value. And during the next video, please do not judge. It was my first time videoing one of our videos. So yeah, but let's move on to that, and then after we will do our reviews. Bye.
Hi, so this is part of our Kinetic sand video. So I have the purple castle Kinetic sand right here. So when you take it out, I'm just gonna take it out, and we are going to look at how it relates to the particle theory, which is part of the educational value of it. So we are looking at the 5 main parts of the particle theory, but there are also other parts, and we will get into one of those. So we have particles attract each other. As you can see, this Kinetic sand is not floating all over the place. It's staying as Kinetic sand. And yes, little pieces come out, but if you look at the little sand, those all have particles that make up that sand. So the sand is staying together. Then all particles in a pure substance are identical. This Kinetic sand, I do not believe is a pure substance. There are many different substances mixed to create it. There's the sand for one, and then there's all the other things that make it kinetic sand. So, but if you were to look at a pure substance, like gold, for instance, under the special tools that you use to look at the particles, you would notice that all the particles are identical. Then we have number 3, particles move faster when heated. If you take your Kinetic sand and blow on it to warm it up, or warm it up in your hands, you can feel that it gets looser. That is because the particles are moving faster.
How about you demonstrate that by moving your hands on it?
So you can see right there how it's going to come apart, but that's partly because of the pressure. And then, even though you can't see it, particles move at random. The particles in this sand are moving all over the place right now, but you cannot see it. It just looks like Kinetic sand. And then number 5, all matter is made up of particles. Everything that takes up space is matter. So everything, this container, the device we're recording on, this table, this Kinetic sand,
that you're watching on,
it's all matter. So it's all made up of different particles. 6, particles have spaces between them. The Kinetic sand right here has spaces between its particles. Just like if you do this, and you can see how it has spaces between the little clumps there. The particles will look similar to this, I expect. It will have spaces in between them. The 5 main points of the particle theory are: number 1, all matter is made up of particles. Number 2, particles have spaces between them. Number 3, particles move faster when heated. Number 4, all particles in a pure substance are identical. Number 5, all the particles in a substance attract each other. So now we will get back to our kinetic sand review video. Thank you for watching.
And now we're back with the reviews. First, from the parents.
Hi everybody, today we are reviewing Kinetic sand, which you can get at many stores. And the thing about Kinetic sand is it's kind of moldable, but yet it kind of defies physics because it kind of takes on its own shape. What I love about it as a teacher is that there's a sensory component to this, as well as it's very relaxing for the kids. They all seem to like it. Doesn't dry out, isn't messy, super easy to clean up, and as we said, it's easy to shape and mold. So value for money, parents gave this a 5 out of 5 Kingston candies. Age appropriate, they say ages 3 and up. I think younger with supervision, just like anything else, is appropriate. Educational value, 5 out of 5. As well, fun, seems to be really fun. Even adults can't stop playing with this. So that's our review. I give it a... Can somebody help? Cool.
And now we will have the kids score. So, the kids score, we gave it 5 out of 5 for fun because, I know I'm going from last to first, but we gave it 5 out of 5 for fun because, like, you can mold it. It's like reverse oobleck.
Yeah, that's true.
It's reverse oobleck. Like when you put pressure on it, it gets hard, kind of. Like, I don't know.
But it doesn't dry out.
Yeah, and like, it's just super fun. Like,
Okay.
you can see I'm getting caught up in it, but anyways, educational value, we gave it 5 out of 5 because it's sensory play. It can calm kids down, tactile experience, and yeah. And then for age appropriate, I believe it says 0 to 3 not allowed. So 4 and up, that means pretty much, which I think that's good. So yeah, 5 out of 5. Then value for money. We don't know how much these are really, but when we saw these in the store, they're about like $16.
It was a reasonable.
Like a reasonable, like I don't know. But yeah, so that is how the kids scored it. This is also the end of our video.
And this is just as always,
Yeah.
only our opinion.
Only our opinion. Please like and subscribe to our video and have a great day.